Welcome, folks. Look at that buck. Look at him. Up, buck. Instead of deer, up. What? 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 No, come back. No. Oh man, he's gone. I said he's gone, but then guess what? I just saw a groundhog up here. Stand up again, little guy. There's a groundhog up there. Where is he? Stand up again, little guy. Huh. Where'd he go, folks? There he is. Groundhog. There's two of them. We got a runner. There he goes. He's running. He's running. And there's the other one. Told ya. Where'd he go? Oh, he might have got out of view. Yeah. Once they get, they're small. So once they get out in there, they get out of view quick. Oh, you saw him right there. Groundhog. You're a hog. A hoggy hoggity. Yeah, I called you a hog. But you gonna run away? Like your friend did? He dipped out there. That was a smart choice by him. Now you're just gonna chill back? Yeah, look at him standing up. Alright, well, I'll leave you alone then, hoggity, 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 hog. And look at those flies flying. Look at them. Alright, well, folks. Click that subscribe button, and we'll see you later. Adios. A buck and two groundhogs. That's what this was. So subscribe, and yeah. Adios. Hoggity, 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 hog. Hog, hog.